Thank you muchly, Ron. Let's see how this turns out. Should be enough. Oh boy. Oh, I think I deserve one of them. Starting to smell good. Oh, the ribs are looking good. I'm going to do something that you maybe never seen before. You never seen that before either. There's a little story. We'll get to that later in the video, or maybe in the next video. But we're going to just slice that down. Just kind of bust that up. I'm going to saute it down with the ribs. Yes, my friend, she slices onions like it works awesome. I'm actually licensed in HVAC. I got all gas certificates, PC, sheet metal. Just we take the winters off, which is good for me. Look at his ski. Water started. A little rice in there. I like to bring it back to a good boil before I shut it off. Okay, we have a secret ingredient, and one of you will know exactly what it is. And the rest we'll find out just a little bit later. And we're going to let that simmer for a minute. Nice, move aside. What I got here? Very rustic made. And a little note telling me what kind of wood's in the handle, what kind of steel you used. Awesome little knife. Perfect. Another one here with a little note and the type of steel you used. He just pounds them out a nice big anvil there, and he just pounds them out. And he does a little video while he's doing it, that kind of thing. So you guys interested in a little knife making, go check out Homemade with Ron. He likes to get out skidooing and rebuilding skidoos and old skidoos, stuff like that. So go over and check out his channel. I'll show you a couple of little clips there of his channel. And he also sent me something special in a brown jug so it wouldn't break. Ron's from Eastern Canada, and he shipped me a liter of pure maple syrup. Oh yes. So thank you, Ron, so much. Much appreciated. Little knives are going to come in handy. Of course, I've been using this one. Awesome for slicing up the onions. But guys, go check out Ron over there on his channel and see what he's up to. He's always up to building and blowing snow, plowing snow, and working on machines. You know, Homemade with Ron. Check it out. Thank you muchly, Ron. Maybe we can drum you up a little business there. Knives are awesome. They've been working great, so hope you guys enjoy the meal. A little special ingredient in there from Ron. So thanks again. Much appreciated. Oh, does that smell good? Well, I won't get it out of the pot tonight. Look at that. All the juice, onions, if you've never had maple syrup on rice before, it goes great with onions. I was going to have a little salad, but don't think I'm going to have room by the time I'm done all this. So I'm going to just sit down and enjoy. Oh, the onions. A little sunshine. No, wasn't sunshine last night though. Looks like we're going to be getting that little snowblower back out. So don't pack down, not too much. Only 2 or 3 inches. guide here, I'm just trying to adjust. When you get a blade, it's totally square. When you're sharpening, it's got to be the right shape of the tooth. So I think I've got it set pretty close. So if I have everything else set close enough, then it's going to work. And if it's not going to work. Get my depth and everything set correctly. I think I have it. Oh, we're going to see if we can sharpen a blade. Yeah, I think that's all locked in place. Get the blade spinning. Now I'll take a marker and just mark the tooth that we started with so I can put the stopper. Don't know if it's sharpening it exactly the way it should be, but I'm going to do this blade and put it on the mill when it warms up and see how it cuts. It feels like it's sharpening it right. This is blade is 10 degree angle on these teeth, so there's a little setting on the other side of the saw, or grinder. It's set up at 10 degrees, so I just haven't had the time to get at this thing, but it does its thing here. There's a lot of moving parts different directions, and it just kind of rotates around and around, and well, never fails when I turn the camera on. So that's kind of how it works. And just yeah, it just slides around the other side there. That little pusher there just pushes ahead, if you haven't seen them work that way. And you see what I'm running it on. 12 volt, 100 amp hour. Good audio. Lithium battery, 12 volt, but it runs for a long time. So this is my little stopper, and it actually goes on the chain, on the blade, in the right spot. There's two little notches here, and I want it to stop when it comes around. So put it on between two teeth. Flip it on between two teeth, and when it comes around, this is all run with two switches. So as that feeds all the way around, it's going to come up against here, and it'll just bump these switches and cut it off. So I'll just give you an example. I will put it on here. We're not far away. I have to get it in the right spot. Let's see. There.